Mimicon. This is a round effect card, and you will place it face down. Copy opponent's next faction play immediately after the faction play is completed. You may choose not to do the action, but this card must be discarded either way. So the first thing you do is, in your turn, you're going to face it down here in round effect. Now the opponent's going to play, and the opponent does their moves and plays a faction, and they decide to play Steel Moonfall. Okay, Steel Moonfall is placed face down, but they say, we're going to play it right now because you can do it at any time. So Steel Moonfall is going to basically take a card or cards from my side, the highest card in a row, and take it directly to allies. So he's going to take the 12 from me into his allies, and then I get to choose a card from the middle and place in my recruits, which draws a new card. So right after he's done with his play, I'm going to flip it over and say, I also am going to Steel Moonfall. And I actually could choose to play it face down and keep it there because that's what the card says you can do. But because he played it right at this moment, I can take the highest cards, multiple cards from one row. That's 3 9s, way better than his move. Move him to my allies, and he actually gets to take a card too, but he takes even a less card than I got to take. And so Mimicon really worked well.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.